Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to wash a Toyota Camry engine. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to the touch. Never wash a hot engine. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. Carefully cover any sensitive electrical components, like the alternator or fuse box, with plastic bags. Finally, remove any large leaves or loose dirt from the engine bay before applying any cleaning solutions. Now, it's time to degrease. Apply a good quality engine degreaser generously to all greasy and dirty areas. Let the degreaser sit for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, allowing it to break down the grime effectively. For particularly stubborn spots, use a soft bristled brush to gently agitate the dirt. Remember to avoid spraying degreaser directly onto any uncovered electrical components. After degreasing, rinse the engine bay thoroughly using a low-pressure water spray. It's crucial to avoid high-pressure washers, as they can damage delicate sensors and wiring. Use a gentle stream to wash away all the degreaser and loosen dirt. For initial detailing, wipe down easily accessible surfaces with a clean microfiber cloth. Utilize smaller detailing brushes to reach into tighter spots. Finally, the drying and finishing touches. Allow your engine to air dry completely for several hours, or use compressed air to speed up the process and remove water from tight crevices. Once dry, apply a non-silicone engine dressing to plastic and rubber components for protection and a renewed look. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, and your Toyota Camry engine will look fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.